everyone, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate the hairs as shown in the video. Now after that, take the hairs from the sides again, tie them on the back and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, again repeat the process for a few more times and take the hairs on the back and rotate the hairs. Keep taking the hairs like this in the same manner for a few more times. Fix it at the ends like this. Take it till the end. Now tie all the hairs together using a rubber band. Fix it dividing it from the between. Fold it and fix it on the top and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs in the front and then roll it like this and take it to the left side. Tie it using a rubber band and then rotate it. Now after that, again take the small sections of the hairs and again repeat the process and fix it on the right side this time. After fixing the hairs, we will tie the hairs together at the end like this and then rotate it. Now take another section of the hairs and roll it and take it to the left side. Repeat the process for a few more times. Join the hairs in the same manner, tie it and then rotate it. Now we will fix all the hairs together like this and tie them by rolling it like this, and then we will fold it upward and fix it to make a bun. Fold it like this and fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the side and then fix the hairs. Now divide the hairs like this and then roll it together. After rolling it, we will fold the hairs upward and make a bun. Fix it by folding it like this and then fold it and fix it using the rubber bands and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to make the plaits, or just first make a ponytail and then divide the hairs. Now after dividing the hairs, we will make the plaits on it by dividing the hairs like this. Pull out the hairs from the sides as shown in the video and make the plaits. So first you have to divide the hairs and then make the plaits on both the sides and then join them together like this. Now fold one part of each on the top like this and fix it using the hairpins and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching a video.